So now let's work around with textures inside of Toon Boom Harmony. So to work around with textures, first of all, I'm going to bring a rectangular tool right over here. And inside of rectangular tool, let me just try to add in a texture. So for that, I need to go to the paint bucket tool right over here. Let me just expand this out so that I can access the colors right over here. So to add in a texture, I need to right click and there's an option over here called new texture. So once you actually click on it, you can actually access the texture file. It can be a JPG file, any image file format actually. So I can actually go over here and under my folder texture, I got a texture right over here. So let me just open that out and the texture is loaded. So once it's loaded, I'm going to get to my paint bucket tool and choose my pen and fill it out. Just click it out and you can see that texture has been filled in just like a color would fill in. Now if I want to edit the texture, then I need to go into the editor right over here from my direct selection tool. Over here you can see that there's edit gradient and texture. So once I go in, what happens over here is I can actually go over here and if I click it, now there's my texture control. So this is my texture. If I were to actually move this around, so if I were to grab this handle, move it around, you can see that I can move around the texture in different places. I can resize this out as well. So you can see that I can scale down the texture just like this or scale up. Everything is repeated, and the texture I'm using is a seamless texture. So even if it repeats, it doesn't seem as if it is repeating itself. So if I were to scale it down, you can see that it is more detail and so forth. You can also scale the texture down by using these handles right over here or skew it over here onto the side as well to get a different perspective just like that and scale it up. You can also rotate around the texture right over here and keep it wherever you want, rotate around and so forth. And that is how you utilize and edit the texture inside of Toon Boom Harmony. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.